Hello everyone, I want to show you how to quickly get started with assigning nice looking animation for your character in RPG Builder. Well, now what we're seeing on screen is actually the demo build, so with some very nice animation, and as you can see it's going to swap directly when equipping a new weapon. I can also like attack and have completely new different animation based on the weapon equipped and so on. And all of that is very, very easy to set up, but you need to have your own animation packs, right? As you can imagine, those great looking animations are coming from an Ancestor package, and I'm of course not allowed to just buy it and include it in RPG Builder. So in the meantime, until Blink is actually including our own animations in RPG Builder, which will eventually come anyway, but as of now, you can of course use any animation pack you want. And I'm going to quickly switch from the build to RPG Builder like demo, just as it would be if you just imported RPG Builder. You see that the running animation is different. This one is not the problem. It's not great, but it's not the worst. But the issue starts when we start strafing, when we start using attack ability. All those animations are of course missing in the demo because I am not allowed to include them. Now, to make it very, very easy and quick for you to get started, I am planning to include some packages with presets that you can literally just import, drag and drop, and it will work immediately with your animation pack. So if there are specific animation packs that you want me to include out of the box with RPG Builder, I'm not talking about the animations themselves, but I'm talking about the override, which will let you in a few seconds just switch all your character animation instantly. Let me know in the comment or on Discord. For now, I only did it for one animation pack, which is, or rather for one publisher, which is the packs from Explosive. And this is the ones I'm using in the demo when I'm testing my things. It's definitely not perfect. Some animations are kind of weird, but to this date, I've never found any other pack with that much variety when it comes to weapon types, and this is exactly what I need, and this is exactly what I use myself or would use in my own game, simply because look, if I select axe, you have all the axe attack animation, but not only that, you have the run, strafe, turn, jump, and so on, and this for each weapon type. And this is very, very helping us to take advantage of the new animation system in RPG Builder 1.1. There is a video on that just before this one. So anyway, what if we wanted now to get started, and instead of using those kind of like broken animation, started using this explosive one. The process is going to be exactly the same for any other publisher pack, but this one I'm going to use explosive as an example. So here we can stay in game, but just to make it cleaner, I'm going to exit game. And the first step is to make sure that you have the animation pack imported in your project before you do anything else, of course. And for this case, we need the crafting mechanism animation pack from Explosive and the RPG character mechanism animation pack. This one is like a big bundle, and this one is smaller, but it's used for gathering and things like that. And then you will go under characters, integration, and here you have the Explosive Animator override. You simply double click that and click import. It's going to be very quick because it's just a few files. Now, to easily swap them and kind of like attach them to your characters, now you can go in your races. In this case, of course, I only have the human race, which is from the demo. And I could go ahead and now replace the demo override, which are under this folder. Now you see that we have all of those, but kind of like the explosive version, right? So I will drag and drop the human combat override here, human race override, save. Now I can go ahead and go to settings, items, and weapon. So this is under weapon, so weapon animator override, and here I have great axe, bow, and staff. This is all explained in the previous video, so if you don't know how this system works and you want to learn about it, watch the previous video. This one is just how to show you to show you how to use presets that I provide you. So now you can just go ahead and drag and drop the great axe combat, great axe rest, bow combat, bow rest, staff combat, staff rest, save, and that's it, you're done. Now you can go in game and your character will use the new preset, so the new override, as you can see, and it will use the explosive animation. So now if I start fighting If I go to combat, for example, you see that it's going to swap instantly. And let me get some items. Axe, bow, and staff. As you can see now, if I equip the axe, it's going to swap to the correct animations, and same for the staff. In this case, as you can see, the bow, as you can see right now, it looks weird, but this is simply because in my case, I mirrored the animation. So if I would go here, for example, in the bow combat rest, so it would be here, idle. I could go ahead and mirror and it should fix it. Yeah. So as you can see now, I'm gonna go back to full screen. As you can see now, it's much nicer. So that's it. As you can see, it's also, of course, working for the blocking animations. So if I equip the 200 axe, now it's going to block differently. Same for the staff and so on. So very neat. I definitely recommend these packs for sure. Even if it has a few issues, it's well worth it. But like I said, it could be any other animation pack, or it could be your own animation and it will work the same. This video is really just to quickly show you how you can get the same result as the demo in RPG Builder with the right packs. So don't get like surprised or scared when you see the demo animation. Just understand that this cannot be included in RPG Builder. I don't have the rights to do this, but it takes a few seconds, if not a few minutes maximum, to swap those. So I hope it was helpful. Let me know, like I said before, the packs you want me to provide presets for, and I will do so. And feel free to share about this also in Discord. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.